So you can hear in the background a new remix that I've done of the classic tune. This is Freak Like Me by Adina Howard, and I had the a cappella in a collection and I wanted to do something different with it. And particularly this has been something that I've been putting together for the gig that I've got coming up. So it just got me thinking about this. I'll do a deconstruction video another time, but just for the moment, I just wanted to talk about focus. And what it is when you're making music is it's very easy to kind of amble around and make track after track. And sometimes you'll get something, you get lucky, something will be good, and other times not so much. I've spent what I feel is the last couple of years in that kind of a world, and what's happened is because of the DJ gig, I've had a real focus in terms of here is a particular date, it's a milestone, and I've got a real focus in terms of getting stuff done. I don't have a lot of time to make music, I have to do it when everybody's asleep, and I get maybe a couple of hours a night, if that, and so I have to be razor sharp focused in terms of what I'm doing. So having the milestone of the gig ahead and knowing that I wanted to create a whole bunch of unique pieces of music to be able to play that nobody else has been an incredible focus. And what it's done is that it's enabled me to really kind of like hone in on a particular sound that I feel is the right sound for me. So I would say for any of you who are trying to make music, try and get a focus, have a purpose for every track that you're making. Try to aim for something, whether it's going to be played in a club or whether it's music for media. If you're going to do something, just literally have a focus. For me, it's made a world of difference. So I would suggest literally think up your use case. And if you can do the DJing thing, definitely try and focus on getting unique stuff together. I think that's definitely worked for me. And if you're not a DJ, just think about releases. Think about milestones. Mark out in a calendar particular dates when you need to have something done. It's not going to work for everybody, but I just wanted to tell you that it's really, really worked for me. All right, so just wanted to pass that knowledge on. This is one of many tracks that I've made in the last, I don't know, maybe the last 3 weeks. And it's been one of the most productive times that I've had. So I just wanted to pass it on, seriously. So if you can, that's my biggest piece of advice. Just try and have a focus. Make every track have a reason for existing. Okay, I have seriously scrapped so many ideas that I had on the go, even things that I put on Instagram, because ultimately they're just not good enough, And having this new focus has been really, really useful for me. All right. So anyway, in the future, I'll take you on a tour of this. This is the remix of Freak Like Me by Adina Howard. And yeah, that's it. Once again, any comments, just hit me up down below. And if I get time, I'll give you an answer.